So good.
So good.
We hiked from here, the Griffith, to here, where we took pictures in front of the sign, and now we're here. Good job.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What are we doing today?
So today we are heading to a Mexican restaurant called Guisado's.
It has 4.5 stars and 2,000 reviews. We just went the wrong direction. So we're going to a restaurant that has 4.5 stars and almost 2,000 reviews on Yelp. So we'll see how good it is.
There are a lot of Mexican restaurants, and I was looking at like the Yelp pictures, and it looks like the food I had in Mexico, so it seems really legit. And I'm really excited for horchata because that's my favorite thing ever. We're gonna do one of those my top bucket list in LA, and that is to hike the Hollywood sign.
Yes.
I'm so excited.
But the instructions are so unclear online that I'm really scared we're gonna get lost because I don't hike. I don't think she hikes. And
I'm bad at directions.
So we're just gonna be like,
I mean, I'm just gonna walk towards the sign. Anyways, let's go eat. Here it is.
It's real cool.
It is cute. I got my horchata. Oh my gosh, so good. I can also add cold brew, which I bet tastes delicious. Oh, I love this. Foodie ordered the sampler. Okay, just look at the size comparison.
Yeah. It's okay.
You can order more if you want.
Yeah, I might. Tastes like Mexico. It's so flavorful.
I like the ground beef one, the orange ground beef one with the white thing on top. That was very good.
Shrimp is so fresh tasting. The sauce is really good. Oh, they each have such a different flavor. That was another very satisfying meal.
Wow, I'm so full right now.
Okay, so do you like that or like American Taco Bell?
I won't lie, I kind of like American Taco Bell a little bit more. Just because it's so like
American.
It's been engineered so that I want it. This is like very authentic, for sure.
Yeah, the chorizo was amazing.
Yeah, oh, you had it too?
Yeah, in my quesadilla.
Oh yeah, the chorizo was bomb. It was spicy though.
Yeah,
so spicy.
I like that spice.
She ordered so much.
Dude, I ordered so much. I finished everything, and now I'm ready to hike. They're just like not clear. Like you'll see. Okay, we just took pictures at the Griffith Observatory, and now, alright, let me show you. Favorite part of Los Angeles, the Hollywood sign. It's very small right now and it's very far away, so we're trying to hike closer to it. Starting our hike, Mount Hollywood Drive.
No, we're not. Oh wait, are we?
We're gonna do this one, 3 mile. Wait, Hollywood side, Mount Hollywood Drive. Oh yeah, this one, 3 mile.
No, that's 0.3.
Oh, 0.3 mile.
Maybe it's this one. We don't know where we're going is basically what we're saying.
We're just gonna follow the sign.
Basically, follow the signs.
It has been 1 minute and I am running out of breath.
Oh my gosh. This view better be amazing.
We're gonna make this hike more entertained.
entertaining.
More entertaining with
Music. But I don't have internet.
oh, I was gonna say with Blackpink.
Blackpink.
Wait,
Nice.
Blackpink.
Copyright. Blackpink. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Hit you with that do 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 do. That's all I know.
Same.
Oh yeah.
Get up my cloud, you don't know me, you don't know my style. Getting lifted and I've come down. Getting lifted. I'm a drum, ba da bum bum. Bum bum.
We're dancing our way to the Hollywood sign.
There's people walking by us. 1.4 miles left, halfway through.
Shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium.
Huh?
Their makeup, their hand makeup. Like,
It never ends. We've been going around in circles for so long and it's still like back there. The amount of curves to get to the Hollywood sign
ridiculous.
is like, if you want to make it to Hollywood, it's like the amount of curves you have to go through to make it to Hollywood. Like every time you think that you're there, nah, you're not there yet. You gotta keep
Psych!
Finally!
Third place on the right was not ours. You gotta keep driving.
Yeah, so she knows that we're like doing something. Made it.
Dude, we made it. That took like an hour and a half.
It felt like it was longer, but I wish it was closer.
I wish we were closer. I think you can, but we don't know how.
Yeah, but we're gonna try to go to the back of it after some pictures. Okay, now we're gonna try to go behind the Hollywood sign, but looking at how much you have to hike, it's like, is it worth it?
No.
But like we're already, you know, moving our way up.
I guess you'll see.
You'll see if we make it up or not. If we give up or not. Oh, shortcut.
Yeah, I know, I saw that.
Gosh.
Come on.
Woody decided to take that shortcut. How was it?
It's good. It's good. Really good. I don't know how to get over there.
That is a steep shortcut.
Shortcut.
This is what the other side looks like. Wow, it's pretty. Looks a little bit like Italy. So close.
There's the H. That's the H you've been looking for.
I know. Oh my gosh. Oh, what a hike. We've been hiking for, I feel like almost 4 miles.
That is so not worth it.
Nuh-uh.
No, I'm kidding. It's
No,
worth it.
That's so nice. That's so big compared to from seeing it in the front.
Oh my gosh. Oh, hi. Oh,
So we hiked from here, the Griffith, to here, where we took pictures in front of the sign, and now we're here.
Behind the
Good
sign.
job. Wow, the sunset.
After
Golden hour.
A long day of hiking.
It's worth
This is our
it.
treat.
This is worth it.
And this.
And this. I love this. Oh my god. One day I'll make it here. Right?
Yeah, of course. We're heading back because it's cold. And we're scared that if it turns, the sun goes down and we're on a mountain, it's just gonna be like 3 degrees outside.
Yeah.
So.
But there's still a lot of people that's walking up, which makes me feel better.
True.
Wow. I feel like it's just us here in this huge mountain.
We may be lost.
It's dark.
We don't know where to go.
My legs are so sore. It smells like horse poop everywhere.
First L of the day.
We made it back
Oh my
to the observatory. Oh my, there was no one on the way back, like of our hike. Like there were so many people on our way there. Where did they go after? How did they get down? We don't know.
We literally were walking not pitch black, but pretty dark. No one. We were so scared. Oh my gosh.
But we made it. It was fun. I very much enjoyed.
Worth it? Would you recommend?
Oh yeah, definitely recommend. Just it was only actually it was about 4.5 hours,
Oh,
which is
that's
not
true.
too bad. Which is really not too bad.
Yeah, that's not bad at all.
Sorry, I'm not focused. No. Time for food again. Tonight's menu is Indian.
Ooh. This one has how many stars?
4.6.
and like 2,000 reviews.
No, like
Yelp?
1,200, I think.
But it's empty.
Chicken samosas.
I like the lime and the carrot one. So you want to do a food tour tomorrow? Or all the food places you want to go to? But it's like we've been to so many food places that I don't know what else there is.
Look at this bread. Chicken tikka masala. This is tandoori chicken. This is some vegetables. Garlic naan rice.
Is it good?
Which one do you like better, chicken or vegetable?
I actually like the vegetable a lot.
Right?
It's really good.
What do you think?
It's really good.
Which one?
This is one of my favorites
Really?
in LA, yeah.
What?
I know we can get this anywhere, but like I love Indian food so much.
We got some rice pudding for dessert. Yeah, for free. Best things in life are free, right?
So good.